for a little bit of revolution, a little bit of change, because I feel like you gotta know where you are from the jump. You gotta know that everybody's on the same page. We're here to transform some shit. So if you know the words, feel free to sing along. Drop from out the clouds, had a change form. Flooded the plains, had them praying for my brainstorms. I'm a master, peace from divine, ain't worker. I got a bit of mind, trying to frame John. I'm at an era of conflict, with a postcode ones and the pros and the cons split. Professionality, Robert Hoods with a palm fit. Head to the bar and the blacks and the water of conflict. To the course we bear, super many guys. Embedded in the home of the brain, the darkness of activity. So street stars and soldiers, the fact. Cause they post your attitudes to the American experience. Oh yeah, I'm finna go all never can't be lying. Get my borders and theory, make more dreams. So I have to leave over her, she know my origins. My great brains off the pain and something more shit. It's the way the edge of my cadence is shredded through these paper trails. Only alchemy justify the nuggets I expel. Only alchemy justify the nuggets I expel. In the city, I expel. People that is out of will. Why?
I don't know what you might have heard, but we ain't gonna know it. But got a whole squad dressed in all black and the streets on notice. What up? They want us in the same place, ain't nobody ever gonna really change nothing but us. Hello, this is revolution, get on up.
Hey yo, born quick with a street type of ache. Travel over every subject and predicate. Sporty 7 diamonds on every edifice and balls on my hook of the ball. They know the evidence. Look, screws can fit in my rap tone. This more often is sweet, like serve vinegar and black cones. More specifically, we're finding in the crack stones. More drugs, gonna be the pyramid in the step zone. Inspired, I am my pack and try. The Spanish flag is how to special bands is the pack and try. So all my turns bring their tab into it. Heaven angles on them jeans, niggas leave the sky from me, I and I. Split the 12 to the steam from the first pick. This a clear view like every seeing from the first pick. They can buy the spirit for my nation, cut the purse street. She ain't putting this in the same sentence was the first thing. Guarantee we finna recruit. Stuck and recover, got name gold on the molars of every tooth. We buying back the blocks, Black Wall Street pursuit. I need everybody to sing this song right now. Y'all kinda know it. The West Mountain. I know y'all know this part.
It's getting kinda crazy. She wanna take it over my mind.
Let's go. Y'all can get louder than that.
You don't know.
All right. Y'all can keep singing, but we're gonna switch it up and do something different. I wanna give y'all something real. If you don't know me, my name is Sa Roc. I'm not your typical rap chick, I'm picking and litter. The kind of pickable muscle become mythical figure. My spit will flood every station with a flick and a spigot. Then I turn my back on the nation with a sickening pivot. This isn't a litany, my titties are sexual proclivities high. But why they know for my hippocampus and hips and thighs? Cause when my blues in the canvas and let the gifts and cries, and I embrace every grip that escape before the lipstick tries. I never surmise to be a top contender, my drive. Run up to prosecute hip-hop offenders, I pride. My destiny out in the hands of the cynotypes. 10% of metabytes became my instrument of life. Who will have to guess the challenge that? Cause you know this the greatest show in every line's a freaking balance act. Meaning a circus to feature the surface and hide the depths. Keep your side and drugged up and tricks and side effects.
If you could feel just what I feel, my love, maybe we can see the bill about love. It's just dollar bills, my love. I know it's a daily hustle. I just wanna get to know you. Underneath the picture perfect just to hold you. Cause it's my whole truth, one proof. Just wait around and see what I do. I'll show you something real.
Goddamn, but they went and told you that I'm bad in the music mode. That day your life with a stereotype that offend ain't right to quote you. Never mind what you see me for. I'm a host of an ET4. Big apocalypse to the populace with the whole industry in tortoise. What y'all need for the time being is a rap detox. No drink, but I've been ducked in one so long, call me rap deep pop. I chop records and contracts to the cravings truck from me stop. My narrative or context me that that's a deep plot. I'm sick of poses, naked is frozen, echoing lines like oath or records is broken, crying in the dope. I want more love, more life, more substance. Might be only the public needs instead. They die in the cold. I keep my eye on the scope. Of course the pot ain't open.
Underneath the picture perfect just to hold you. Cause it's my whole truth, one proof. Just wait around and see what I do. I'll show you some real.
Of course, all of my verses and hooks I torch. No mirrors, no smoke, I blaze these force, these pages toast. I carry my soul and character shown, intended to form the lyrical principles of the most high. I keep a goddess getting close by. I'm the stronger and I live for my protection. All the sweetness turn that hate if I feel threatened. They may try me once or twice, but take it man and cut the trees. I promise these by son. I kinda read, I said a soldier, go better quality, no bend in my backbone. I'm firmly on my square. No currency that strong to earn my integrity. I put my whole soul in these sections, no segments here. Earth the new movement, every musical note, no pregnant here. Mindset raw fair keeps our broads players at bay. Dawn of a new era, suggest y'all cherish the day.
Real, just what I feel, my love. Maybe we can see the view about love. It's just dollar bills, my love. I know it's a daily hustle. I just wanna get to know you. Underneath the picture perfect just to hold you. Cause it's my whole truth, one proof. Just wait around and see what I do.